We have talked about one-sided limit already, but this time we talk about this one a little more deeply here. So please check out what is one-sided limit on the textbook, and then we will review that concept when we meet next week again. Instead, we will talk about some example so that even though you don't know yet, but we can actually get some other idea. Okay, so find the limit of the following questions. So let's think about first one and second one, and then I'm gonna leave other three as the maybe homework question. So after we returning next week, then we can talk about that. Okay, so the first one here. So limit x move to one positive side, 2 plus x over 1 minus x here, right? Okay, so as you know, if you plug 1 into this function, this will be undefined because the denominator becomes 0. Therefore, you may choose a very close value to the 1, but should be on positive side, and analyze it. Especially, x equal 1 is the vertical asymptote, and you know that the vertical asymptote has the infinite limit from the last video, right? So let's choose maybe 1.00001. I think that's kind of close enough. So you plug this value into the function, then what do you get? So I'm going to calculate 2 plus 1.00001 divided by 1 minus 1.00001. Then you will get around negative 3.00001. Okay, so we can presume you plug even smaller value, then it's going to be even smaller and smaller because it's going toward negative side here. So therefore, this limit becomes negative infinity here. But now, let's think about the second one here. Second one. So I'm going to copy down the limit x move to 4 x squared over x squared plus 16. So like last time, in this rational function case, denominator is not factorable, so it is continuous function, which means it will have maybe limit from the left and right side the same limit. Okay, so analyze one side limit and then find out what's the actual limit is. So I'm gonna find out, first of all, limit x move to 4 from the positive fx, and then limit x move to 4 from negative side fx here. So you may choose maybe very small value, the close value from the 4 positive side and then also negative side here. So I will choose maybe 4.00001 and then 3.99999, right? So 4.00001 will be from the right side limit right side chosen value, and 3.99999 will be left side chosen value here. So let's plug those values. So 4.00001 square over 4.00001 square minus plus 16, then you will get 0.5000125 like this. Now let's plug 3.99999. So 3.99999 square divided by 3.99999 square plus 16, then you will get 0.49999 9A7 something. Okay, so based on this, we confirm that those two values are approach to 0.5. So on the positive side, we checked it. This is 1 over 2. Also negative side, also 1 over 2. Therefore, this limit become 1 over